Today I'm going to be showing you how to use watercolor brush pens. So first of all, you're going to take a look at your water brush pen. And this one is without color. So to open it, you're going to screw it one way and open that up. And you're going to fill it with water. And then you're going to screw it back on. We'll come back to that later. Next, you're going to choose a color on your watercolor drawing. You could choose purple, like I'm going to right now. And so when you pick your designated area to color on, without using any water, it's going to look a little bit rough. It's going to look a little bit too much like a marker. So I'm going to show you how to get a little bit smoother edges. Okay, so I'm going to pick up our water brush pen, and we're going to open up the top, and you're going to squeeze a little water out onto the brush. Not too much because you don't want to soak it. And what you're going to do is you're going to dampen the spot on the drawing without soaking it. Otherwise, the color is not going to go on too well. It's just nice and gentle. All right, now pick up your color water brush pen, and you're going to fill in the spot that you wet a little bit. And as you can see, when it goes on this time, you're going to get a little softer look, and it's going to look a lot more like an actual watercolor.